What's up, y'all? One Mad Z. It is Tuesday. What's going on? Hope y'all had a good weekend, good Monday, President's Day. All right, so today we're going to use this thermal heat gun so I can show you what the difference is between a normal surface, coated surface, and this composite that they use on here. Now, I've had this thing on here for about 5 years, never given me problems. Everything has been fine with that. But I've never been able to measure the thermal temperature of it. So I got myself one of these things. $6, Amazon. Pretty accurate for the most part. But now we're actually gonna see what the difference in temperature is for surfaces. So let's start here. We're gonna start right there. 165. So that means the oil has pumped through here. It's sitting here. I actually just parked it, just drove about 20 miles from the base back home. So that was, let's try it again, about 162. This, look at that difference. It's about 98 degrees. Yeah, if you drive a Z, sometimes that reservoir, if you look at it while the car's running and it's a hot day, it's boiling in there. This thing never boils anymore, which is nice. It used to spill sometimes, but it doesn't boil at all. All right. Now I'm actually about to redo this wrap here because I'm gonna put a different barrier underneath and then I'm gonna rewrap this. It's been on the car since I've done this. It's about 8 years ago. Seems like, and I knew that it made a difference because I could tell just by putting my hand on it, but I've always been interested, so let's look at that too. 120, that thing says, versus the actual surface. Now I put a coating on this thing because if I didn't, that bare aluminum would be entirely hot, be really hot. So about 180, so about the same. Now that versus that's right near the header, right there. Right where that little light is, that's where the header is at. So that's why it's hotter back there. Now these headers I actually have wrapped. I don't have the heat shield on there, but they are wrapped, so that does help. But see, if you come up here, look at the temperature. It's about 20 degrees less. And that's right where the filter is. Look at that, the filter is even less than that. So what I've been working on behind the scenes is I've been working on a heat shield box. This is a huge filter with the velocity stack in there, and then it gets the fresh air routed through there and into this giant 3.5 right there. But what I want to do is I want to actually put a thermal barrier right to that and then wrap it up. And then that should further reduce that, drop it a lot. Now, here's this one. Look at that. That's a big difference. 128 versus, there we go, versus 180. Look at that. Kinetic said that it does drop the temps by 50 degrees. They weren't lying. Look at that, 130. All right, we'll check this just to give representation. There we go. Look, right on there. That's 130. Back here, 160, 170, 140. Run BC. Pricey, but well worth it. Valve covers. It might be picking up. There it is. 170. Check this runner that I did down here. That's 180. $190, but that's all block and no air, no nothing, just a heat soak right there. It would definitely be hotter if I did not have these surfaces coated, so that's worked out. So it actually does drop the temps by, look at that, it actually does drop the temps by 50 degrees. That's amazing. Still over 100 degrees, but 50 degrees less, I'll take that. All right, let's check this division panel. 90 degrees, 98 degrees. Radiator time. Let's find out. Oh yeah, 170. Now, what's so awesome is I'll literally come back inside the car. Oops, where are the keys? I'll literally come back in the car and then I'll get on there and it'll literally tell me the same exact thing. So that reads very accurate. Ooh. If y'all want some nice tires, these Continental Extreme Contacts are real nice. Y'all should pick yourselves up some. They're a little bit sticky. The tread wear is like 240. So that means, from what I found out, what I've been learning about compounds, the tread rating, the lower that number is, the stickier it is, it seems, or the softer the compound is. So hence, picks up a lot of rocks and it throws it. I hate that. But as far as the grip, the turn in, the response, road noise, all that stuff, it's great. It does exactly what I need it to do. But anyway, science lesson is over. Hope you guys have a good night, good day tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Live free. Peace out. I can't do it.